Canada has the longest coastline in the world. At 243,000 kilometers along the shores of 52,455 islands, Canada boasts of the longest coastline in the world. If you want to have an idea of how long this is, it is estimated that at a pace of about 20 kilometers a day, it would take a person 33 years to finish strolling Canada's shorelines. There are millions of lakes in Canada. Canada has more lakes than the rest of the world combined. At last count, there may be as many as 2 million, with 563 of them larger than 100 square kilometers. Among its largest lakes are Lake Huron in Ontario, Great Bear Lake in the Northwestern Territories, and Lake Superior also in Ontario. There are large lakes in Manitoba as well. You will find Lake Winnipegosis, Lake Manitoba and Lake Winnipeg here. Lake Winnipeg is Canada's 5th and the world's 11th largest lake. The world's oldest known rocks can be found here. The Canadian Shield forms a U-shape extending from Lake Superior in the south to the Arctic Islands in the north, and from the western part of Canada eastward to Greenland. It is where some of the oldest rocks on Earth can be found. Among them, a 4.28 billion-year-old rock that was discovered by geologists in 2001. It was found in an area of exposed bedrock on the eastern shore of the Hudson Bay in northern Quebec. We have a version of the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea in the Middle East is known the world over for water so buoyant you can't sink. This is attributed to its high salt content, making it denser than fresh water. You don't have to travel that far to experience this phenomenon. Canada has Little Manitou Lake in Saskatchewan. Fed by underground springs, the 13.3 square kilometers lake has mineral salt concentrations of 180,000 milligrams per liter, making it extremely buoyant. Regina is the geographical center of North America. Regina, the capital of the Prairie Province of Saskatchewan, is the closest to the center of the continent at a latitude of 50 degrees 27 N and a longitude of 104 degrees 37 watts. Six Canadian cities have more than 1 million residents. These Canadian cities are Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver, Calgary, Edmonton, and Ottawa. According to Statistics Canada, Toronto tops the list, followed by Montreal and Vancouver. Canada continues to be among the top countries with the lowest population density, currently estimated at 3.9 people per square kilometre. The country has a total population of more than 37 million as of 2019. Largest and smallest provinces and territories. Quebec is the country's largest province with a total land area of 1.5 million sq kilometers. Meanwhile, Prince Edward Island is the smallest at 5,660 sq kilometers. Among the territories, Nunavut is the largest, taking up 1/5 of Canada's total land area, 2 million sq km. Despite having all this space, it is home to only about 38,000 people because of its harsh climate and remoteness. The largest source of freshwater in the world. With its millions of lakes and rivers, it's not really surprising that Canada has earned this title. For instance, the estuary and Gulf of St. Lawrence is one of the largest and deepest estuaries in the world. Its water comes from the Great Lakes, or the Laurentian Great Lakes, a series of interconnected freshwater lakes in the upper Mideast region of North America. It mixes with salt oceanic water as it widens into a large estuary, a water passage where the tide meets a river current, near Isle d'Orléans. You'll find the largest island within an island here. Canada has a little-known island within an island in the Arctic, measuring about 4 acres. Part of why it is mostly unknown is that it is inaccessible, being 75 miles inland from Victoria Island, between Nunavut and the Northwestern Territories, the 8th largest island in the world. Tallest mountain peak. Mount Logan in Yukon is Canada's tallest mountain. It is 5,995 meters high, 19,551 feet, and can be found in Kluane National Park and Reserve. The mountain is named after Canadian geologist William Edmund Logan. He is a founding member of the Geological Survey of Canada.